Removing this lower trim turned out to be pretty easy once you figure out how it works and how to do it. All it really takes is some upward pressure at the bottom while using your plastic wedge to gently pry at the top. Keep working around the perimeter of the piece and you'll find a spot where it'll pop loose, and then eventually it should just pop right off. Actually pretty easy. Just remember to use some upward pressure at the bottom while working your wedge in from the top. You may also want to try using your fiber mallet or rubber hammer to gently tap up while you work your wedge in from the top. That seemed to work pretty good on this piece. Here's a good look at the mounting tabs and how they work. As you can see, there's a horizontal slot at the top and a vertical slot at the bottom. All you really need to do is tap on the right side at the top and it should slide over, and then wiggle it or a gentle tap down and it should pop right off. Here's where your plastic block may come in handy. A little tap to the left, and then a little tap downwards, and it should come right off. After you do a few of these, you'll get good at it, and then it's just rinse, wash, and repeat. Now here's where you're going to need your 10mm socket and possibly the long extension on this little short piece right here at the back of the cab.
Longer extension. So good reach it.